When it comes to double-hung window installation in Orangeburg, SC, our team of professional window installers is second to none. We specialize in providing top-notch double-hung window services SC residents can rely on. Our double-hung Windows Orangeburg experts ensure that every window is installed with precision and care, maximizing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal or improve energy efficiency, our Orangeburg custom windows are the perfect solution. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any homeowner in Orangeburg, South Carolina. Our Orangeburg energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. By choosing our double-hung Windows Orangeburg services, you can enjoy the benefits of lower utility bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Our South Carolina window experts are here to guide you through the process of selecting the best energy-efficient windows for your home. For those in need of window repair experts in Orangeburg, SC, look no further. Our double-hung Windows Orangeburg specialists are equipped to handle all types of window frame repair and window glass replacement. We understand the importance of maintaining the integrity of your windows, which is why we offer comprehensive residential window services. From window sash repair Orangeburg to window sealing services, we have the expertise to restore your windows to their original condition. Custom window solutions are our specialty, and we take pride in offering a wide range of window design options to suit any style or preference. Our Orangeburg window design options include everything from traditional to contemporary styles, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your home. With our window style consultation services, you can explore various designs and make informed decisions about your window upgrades. Affordable window services are within reach for Orangeburg residents. We believe that quality window solutions shouldn't break the bank, which is why we offer competitive pricing on all our services. From affordable windows Orangeburg SC to cost-effective window maintenance services, we strive to provide value without compromising on quality. Our goal is to make professional window services accessible to everyone in the community. Professional window installers. Orangeburg residents' trust are just a call away. Our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional service and craftsmanship on every project. Whether you need window screen installation or window hardware replacement, our skilled technicians have the knowledge and experience to get the job done right. We take pride in our attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction. When it comes to double-hung window installation in Orangeburg, SC, our team of professional window installers is second to none. We specialize in providing top-notch double-hung window services SC residents can rely on. Our Orangeburg window installation experts ensure that every window is installed with precision and care, maximizing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or custom window solutions, our Orangeburg window replacement services have you covered. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any homeowner in Orangeburg, South Carolina. Our Orangeburg energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce energy costs while enhancing the comfort of your home. With our window insulation services, you can enjoy a more consistent indoor temperature year-round. Our South Carolina window experts are dedicated to helping you find the perfect energy-efficient solution for your home. For those in need of window replacement services in Orangeburg, our team offers a wide range of options to suit any style or budget. From affordable Windows Orangeburg SC to high-end custom window solutions, we have something for everyone. Our Orangeburg window replacement experts will guide you through the process, ensuring you make the best choice for your home. Custom window solutions are our specialty, and we take pride in offering Orangeburg custom windows that meet the unique needs of each client. Our window-style consultation services help you explore various window design options, ensuring your new windows complement your home's architecture. With our window measurement services, you can be confident that your custom windows will fit perfectly. Window repair experts in Orangeburg are here to address all your window maintenance needs. From window frame repair to window glass replacement, our SC window repair specialists have the skills and experience to restore your windows to their original condition. Our Orangeburg window maintenance services ensure your windows remain in top shape for years to come. If you're dealing with a broken window, our window glass replacement services in Orangeburg are just what you need. Our team of professionals can quickly and efficiently replace your window glass, restoring the safety and security of your home. We also offer window sealing services to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Affordable window services are available to Orangeburg residents looking to upgrade their homes without breaking the bank. Our competitive pricing on window installation, repair, and replacement services ensures you get the best value for your investment. Trust our professional window installers Orangeburg to deliver quality results at a price you can afford.